Alright guys, we have a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban headlight package finished up today. These are built on brand new OE style headlights, and they have the black inner bezels. This customer wanted a paint match, so we painted the bezels the Olympic white or Summit white to match his vehicle. Projectors inside are the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0. These are the brand new Mini H1 generation that just dropped. All improvements per generation are obviously optic improvements. These also have a blue coated AR lens, so there is a bit of a blue coating on the lens that looks pretty cool, and you can see it in different light and reflections. Right here it's not as visible, but it's definitely there. Now the shrouds we use, typically we use the Irish shrouds or the E46 shrouds. They just fit this reflector bowl very well. It does have like a flat spot at the top, so these shrouds that have that flat spot do work out very well here. Now the whole package here includes a Morimoto HID kit with a relay harness, everything plug and play, ready to go out of the box. We're going to cut the HIDs on. Just note that this HID system right now is just a test ballast. We do provide Morimoto HID components. And of course you have bulb color choices of 4500, 5500, and 6500 Kelvin. And you can order a package like this on our website, visionautoworks.com. If you have any questions, give us a call or an email. Someone will get back to you.